Thanks for tuning in. Today we got a fun B2B PS5 HDMI port replacement. So as you can see, it has 4 torn pads. I've already prepped it. That capacitor was gone. We went ahead and replaced that. Let's go ahead and get this new port on, get the 4 jumpers, and get them back to gaming again. Alright, to make it a little louder right now, you might want to turn down your audio. 3, 2, 1. Alright, that's the finished product. We're going to have to use some UV solder mask, but did pretty good. Took care of that displacement as well. Let's test it out. Alright, we are back in action. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. New videos dropped every Sunday. Memberships available, store now open. Thanks for tuning in.